From 4,860 in November 2024 to 18,300 in February 2026. That's a 276% return in just 15 months on an unlisted stock, not a crypto, not a penny stock, the parent company of one of India's fastest growing mutual funds. Let's break down every single number you need to know about Parag Parikh Financial Advisory Services. PPFAS was founded in 1992 by the legendary value investor Parag Parikh. Today, it's run by his son Neil Parag Parikh as chairman and CEO and Rajiv Thakkar as CIO. Neil started his journey as an intern with JM Morgan Stanley in 2003 and has been a part of PPFAS since 2004 in multiple roles. Now he's leading strategy and key relationships. Rajiv Thakkar brings over 3 decades of experience in equity markets, known for his disciplined value investing philosophy and long-term approach, a key pillar behind PPFAS consistency. The firm runs just 6 mutual fund schemes, no gimmicks, no NFOs, and has built one of the most loyal investor bases in the country. The parent entity, PPFAS Limited, sits unlisted, and that's your opportunity. Now let's understand the tailwind. The Indian mutual fund industry has grown at a 10-year CAGR of 20%, with total AUM now standing at 81 lakh crores. And within this booming industry, PPFAS has built an AUM of 1,51,000 crores with just 6 schemes. That's focus, that's discipline, and that's scale without dilution. And now, the next leg of growth. PPFAS has planned to launch 2 new GIFT City passive funds. They've already introduced passive outbound fund of funds tracking the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100, giving Indian investors exposure to US equities without opening foreign accounts. Low minimum investment, competitive expense ratios, and global diversification through a regulated route. This is how they expand, not by quantity, but by strategy. Now coming on to the flagship fund, that is the Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. It continues to stand apart, historically maintaining 15 to 20% allocation to international equities like Alphabet and Amazon. The fund has used global exposure to reduce domestic volatility. Now, even with the regulatory limits capping fresh exposure to under 10%, the philosophy remains intact. Diversify beyond India. Now let's get into the actual company financials, because this is what you're buying as an unlisted shareholder. 9 months FY26 revenue was 458 crores and 9 months FY26 PAT was 288 crores. Strong numbers, but here's where it gets interesting. FY26 expected full year revenue stands at 1000 crores and FY26 expected PAT is around 380 to 400 crores. That's a massive scale up from current levels, and the growth metrics back it up. 3-year revenue CAGR 85.5% and 3-year profit CAGR 128%. This is not a startup, this is a mature asset-light business compounding at extraordinary speed. Now let's talk valuation, and the current PE is standing at 56 times. But with the FY26 earnings kicking in, that PE compresses to the range of 35. PEG ratio just 0.4, meaning you're paying a fraction for the kind of growth this business is delivering. Now look at this trajectory. November 2024, 4,860. February 2026, 18,300. That's the unlisted market waking up to this story in real time. And here's the strongest signal. Promoters have invested approximately 647 crores in their own mutual fund schemes. Skin in the game doesn't get clearer than this. 1.51 lakh crore AUM, 1000 crore expected revenue, 128% profit CAGR, global expansion via GIFT City, and a PEG of just 0.4. PPFAS isn't just a mutual fund story. It's one of the most compelling high-growth financial plays in India right now.